Good afternoon. I'm here at a customer's house, gonna wash these windows. Have this magnolia tree here. It's actually too small of a spot, so we're gonna trim it for him today. Should be about 40 feet away from any structure. If you don't plant a tree like this 40 feet away from a structure, this is what you're gonna end up with. Big mess, a lot of damage, and rodents on the roof. They're gonna climb this tree and they're gonna jump up on the roof. Make sure you like, subscribe to this page. It will give you more helpful tips.